everybody, today we're going to learn how to find the volume of a pyramid. So here we have a pyramid drawn out for us right here. And we have the length, width, and height written out for us. The length being 5 inches, width 3 inches, and the height 4 inches. But before we can solve the volume of a pyramid, we need to know how to find the volume of the pyramid. So here we have the formula written out for us right here. So the length times width times height divided by 3 would equal the volume of any pyramid. So now that we know how to find the volume of the pyramid, let's solve it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put these dimensions in the formula and write how we find the volume of this pyramid. So it looked like this: 5 inches times 3 inches times 4 inches over 3. What we're going to do first is we're going to multiply 5 inches by 3 inches, which equals 15 inches squared. So that would be 15 inches squared times 4 inches over 3. Next step is to multiply 15 inches squared times 4 inches, which equals 60 inches cubed. So this formula would be equal to 60 inches cubed over 3. The final step of finding the volume of this pyramid would be 60 inches cubed divided by 3, which equals 20 inches cubed. Now that we have found the volume of this pyramid, let's go on to our next problem. So here we have a word problem written out for us. Emily is building a replica of the Great Pyramid of Giza 1/10 of the size. She plans on making it with stone. Since she is making 1/10 of the size of the length of each side on the base is 23 meters and the height is 15 meters. How many tons of stone does she need if 1 cubic meter of stone weighs a half a ton? So to figure out how many tons of stone Emily needs, first what we need to do is find the volume of the pyramid. So what we're going to do is let's write the formula of how we would find the volume of this pyramid. So that would be 23 meters times 23 meters times 15 meters over 3. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 23 meters times 23 meters, which equals 529 meters squared times 15 meters over 3. The next step we're going to do is we're going to multiply 529 meters squared times 15 meters, which equals 7,935 meters cubed over 3. The final step of finding the volume of this pyramid would be 7,935 meters cubed divided by 3, which equals 2,645 meters cubed. So now we have found the volume of this pyramid, let's go on to the next step to find the amount of stone needed to make the replica of the Great Pyramid of Giza. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply it by 0.5, because for every cubic meter, right, there is 1 ton or half of a ton of stone, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 0.5 tons over meters cubed, which would look like this: 2,645 meters cubed times 0.5 ton over meters cubed. So since there is a meter cube on both sides of the equation, they cancel each other out, looking like this, right? Since they cancel each other out, all that is left in this equation is ton. So it would be 2,645 times 0.5 ton. So now that would equal 1,322.5 ton. So now that we have found the amount of stone that Emily needs to build the replica of the Great Pyramid of Giza, let's review what did we learn today. The formula for the volume of a pyramid is length times width times height divided by 3. In the next 3 days, I'll be posting a video of how to find the surface area of a pyramid. Please put in the comments below what else you would like to learn. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!